Hello, this is a quick video about how you can size your columns and your rows. So if you have a row that you don't like the size of, say for instance you want to change this A row to be a little smaller, the easy way to do that is simply move your cursor up between two columns. So in this case the A and the B, and you'll see right now it's a little plus sign. When I move it up there it has a different look. When you have this, you just left click to hold it, click and hold, and you can just pull it however you want. So you can make it whatever width you feel like. So if you have like a set of text that's like bleeding over the next text, you can just pull the text over or pull the box over and make it a little wider. You can also set it so that it's a specific width by clicking on the thing, the column heading, and then clicking the right click and doing column width. And then you can set it for however you want. So say I wanted that to be 15 wide. Okay. And if you make cells like some width you don't actually like and you want them to look like all the other ones, just right click on one of those cells, do column width, and figure out that this was bizarrely 8.43 wide, and then you can go back and make this one 8.43 wide if you want to get back to where it was. So that's pretty easy to do. And if you want, you can also resize a whole bunch of cells at once. You click on them all like that, where I did here at the top. So they're all highlighted, and then right click, column width, and you could make them all twice as wide. So there you go. That's how you resize columns, either just by pulling or using the right click column width. You can also do the exact same thing with rows. You can set them this way, row height. You can make that twice as big if you felt like. And you can also just pull them up and down as you want. I'm going to remake that one the way I wanted. 15. Right, and if you lose track of how the cells are, you can always just right click on one that you haven't changed, row height, figure out what it was, and then set it back. So that's how to change column widths and row widths.